guys, welcome back to the Light So and today, this Friday evening on the 29th of August, no, July.
Yeah.
August, yeah.
It's 7 o'clock in the evening. I'm knackered, I've just come home from work and I'm cooked a curry. Where from what? Well, where we live, in Essington, there is a fruit farm.
Well, we don't live in Essington.
Well, it's near Essington, it's called the Essington Fruit Farm. And don't start as soon as you start. Yeah. And this is home style curry sauce, and the chilli is a...
Naga chilli.
Some of the ingredients are...
tomato, onion, rapeseed oil, mustard, garlic puree, ginger puree, salt, lemon juice, Naga chilies, coriander, paprika and cumin seeds.
Okay, and it's, what does it say down the side? It is...
Gluten free, dairy free, nut free, no added sugar, no artificial ingredients.
So all natural then?
Yep.
Right,
Well, we got it from a bloody farm shop, so
we
you'd
got it from a farm
expect it.
shop, so it's either going to be two ways. When we opened the jar, it smelled very nice, didn't it?
Oh, it smelled great.
It smelled really, really nice. So it's either going to be smells lovely and not hot, smells lovely and hot, smells lovely, tastes disgusting and not hot.
I reckon it'll taste nice, just from
Don't
the
start.
ingredients.
Well, goddamn,
Don't start now.
Well, down and knocking me chips
Right,
up.
no.
What if I don't like it?
Well then, do fish and chips. I said no. Do you need your rice?
Yeah, of course. I love rice.
You liar.
I don't have rice.
And we on rations.
You want chips? Has your rice started, Jenny? I haven't even got to the curry part.
Is it that bad? I don't
No.
know curry.
No, it's not from.
rice
It's
and
not from any spice or anything. It's just
chips. Stick his fingers in his eye.
my eye being my eye.
Chips. I'll have a couple.
That's a piss poor.
There you go, that's my chips.
Yeah, I might be back.
We'll need them. Salt mark. I've got to salt the chips before I put the curry on.
We all
Good.
have.
The good old pink Himalayan salt. You don't know vinegar.
Well, no.
I know. Right.
Oh, I'll have some vinegar.
We're starting to taste testing the curry here. We're going to see if it's all, by the way. The last time I tried Naga was in Wensfield at a pub. I lost the hearing in my right side. Actually, it was 5 chilies.
You went bright red on the one side.
Oh my god, and 4 hours later I've got IBS. I ain't going to tell you what happened 4 hours later. We was dating then. I was going to phone him to get an ambulance, that's how bad it was.
You're going to phone me when I'm sitting next to you?
Now, when I got home, ready, how much would you like?
Oh, I don't want none, I want to see you a lot.
No, you've got to try a
You're going
bit.
to spoil my chips.
I'll put a little bit.
Oh, loads.
There,
Loads.
loads?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure there's enough for me.
Okay.
Can I
Right.
start?
There you go, Mark.
Just scrape it off.
We'll leave a little bit, just in case Adrian wants a little bit more. Have you started?
Yeah.
That was your chip. I must have marked this time.
If he's struggling, I'll die.
This eye needs to stop.
Right, I'm going to go first. Are you ready?
No, you won't.
Oh.
Oh, God.
It's
That's
not
nice.
It's
It's not
tingling my tongue. I licked my finger.
It's not right.
Oh, God.
It's hotter than them seasoning packets we had last week. Or week before.
Yeah,
Really?
it's hot.
It's not right.
Not that hot.
But the flavour. So, all you need is a chicken and sauce. And at the very end, I want an eighth of a jar of water, cook it, and at the end,
Tablespoon of cream.
tablespoon of cream. What? No.
I've got no milk.
I got no drink.
Don't need a drink.
You do.
You don't.
I just like to have a drink when I eat.
First impressions?
Bloody hell.
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's another 10 out of 10 on flavour.
It's a tomato based
Mm-hmm.
curry.
Well, considering 45% of it is tomatoes, 36% is onion.
How can you say that? It's hot.
How can you say it's not?
We knew it wasn't going to be flaming hot, didn't we?
Yeah.
Put in your eye then.
No thanks, we're not Becky.
See if it burns.
You can do it. Oh, no, wow, no.
To be fair, I just wish it came in a bigger jar.
You need more sauce?
Yeah.
Um,
And they made it yourselves or what?
well, I think so. Did you say?
It looks like it's homemade.
When you say home style, what does that read? That right in there say?
Nothing about it being home.
And to your favourite.
And it's got a picture of like 2 people on it. I'm guessing they're the people who run the joint.
How much you pay for it now?
Would it £2.50?
Somewhere along them lines.
Not expensive.
For a farm shop.
We have got a chilli sauce, haven't we bought from there?
Yeah.
That cost about £5. That was £5.99. The chilli sauce.
So we're praying that it's really good.
I ain't done that one yet.
No. What is it, Mark? You like it? You know, it's a bit red, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's a bit red.
it's hot.
It's not hot.
It's burning my tongue. My teeth, last time we had one, it was burning my teeth.
It's not hot. Are you going to eat that little bit?
No. Wow!
Yeah, Mark.
Thank you.
I need a bit more sauce.
Get some bread.
I think I might be getting used to chilli. I've got me wrong. I shouldn't say that enough. Look at
Don't burn your arm. Yeah, it's burning my arm.
Get off! I mean, there's a slight tingle.
There's a lot of tingle.
There's just tingle at best. Not even a 1 on the heat.
Now milk.
Flavour wise though,
You
10
can't.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. You know, it's a lot. I mean, it's only 1%. Was it 1% Naga chili?
0.6.
0.6%? Is that all?
Yep.
And it's red hot.
A punjaban, or however you pronounce it. Make this again, but hotter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even if you have to go all the way to Carolina Reaper levels to do it.
You know what's going on? We should have, because we have got a Carolina Reaper, haven't we, dried?
And ghost peppers.
And ghost peppers, we should have grinded it up.
Well, if we get another jar, that's what we'll do.
Or if we try and make them anyhow.
Right.
We could do it.
Well, you do know how to make a nice curry, so...
I am very good at doing a curry.
I mean, look at the vindaloo.
We're going to do that again.
Was I in the vindaloo?
Yeah, you looked it.
Well, red hot, I can't remember.
It was hot.
It was up, but you ate it. Without the milk.
That's what it's missing.
You want milk?
Cream.
Cream in it?
More cream.
come on. Look at it. Oh God. Feed me. Oh no.
What's wrong?
Yep. I'm sorry there's not another talking.
We're too busy eating.
It's a dad dinner.
Yeah. Especially considering yesterday all I had for me dinner was a tin of chilli.
It's called poverty.
Mm-hmm.
It's called the rising prices in the UK.
Hey, well.
And you know when you save money and you think, oh, I'm going to earn money, and all some things pop up
Oh,
that you've got to pay for. That's my month.
It's a good job.
I don't even think now that like I'm starving now.
You am?
No, I pay for my own food, so it's on me.
I need some.
Want some chips?
It's nice with the salt.
Now salt.
I've had salt.
I actually haven't put any in the curry.
It's nice.
I'm shocked that I haven't.
It's nice.
But that just goes to show that even without the salt, it's still nice.
It's got the salt now. So, every tenner, we'll ask Adrian because of course this is just normal. Every tenner for you on the heat scale.
A good 5 and 6.
Come in.
Mm.
5 and 6?
Yeah.
Doesn't even come to a 1.
It's
For me, half. Not a quarter.
Not even that.
I only say that if I've got a tingle on my tongue.
It's like,
well,
for my scale, because of the heat I've done,
Nothing.
yeah, 0.
you need to get into his scales again.
That's what I tried to do. Didn't it? I really thought that was going to be too hot to eat.
That's good because I'm even eating the onions.
Wow, look at you.
You eating me chips now?
Your chips.
Yeah.
Hungry?
Same.
I'm in pain.
Burn pain.
Yeah.
It's not hot.
Mm.
Oh, no, I would say,
Put that in your eye.
hello, I would say that the spice rubs was hotter.
The ghost pepper one was.
Yeah,
What's
And
the
you-
spice rub?
the one, you know, we did chicken from Aldi, Bramwell's.
That'll be up before this one, so.
Now it's tingling now to my lips.
Huh?
I was about to reach for the vinegar and drink it. Because I forgot that I didn't have a bottle of pop.
We liked it.
10 for taste.
Mm-hmm.
If you like tomato based curries, I highly recommend it.
I wonder if they've got other flavours.
That's not good, clue.
I'd
But I
like
have,
100% be down for trying them.
I mean, 10 out of 10 for flavour, but I'm quite disappointed with the heat level.
I'm very disappointed with the heat level.
Seeing as it says Naga. Because when I looked at it, that's what between 1.2 and 1.8 million Scoville.
Mind you though, with their kind of cuisine, they use them chilies for the flavour, not the spice. You know, you know, like how some countries like prick the pepper and leave it in and then take it out. Yeah, it's probably what they did.
Still nice, huh?
Mm.
I recommend it. So if you if you live in the UK, in the West Midlands, and you know where Essington Fruit Farm is.
So let me try and pronounce the name. Or go on, you have a go.
I can't read it, Mark. I got no glasses on.
Punjaban.
But yeah, Punjab.
Yeah, no, but because Punjabi. So it's just
Yeah. Anyway, there you go.
Ah.
completely demolished
I
and
just
gone.
realised that camera was completely useless.
Why?
Because we didn't really show anything to it other than the jar.
So, while I've been doing the dog breath over
Least my
there,
teeth ain't burning like last time.
it wasn't a lot.
Oh.
So, if you want to see us do any other spicy, hot, tinned, jarred,
Just
packaged,
Curry frog's legs.
no.
anything edible we're actually able to get in this country.
Yeah,
Frog's
please
legs.
drop us a comment.
It's an expensive frog though, Tom.
Right.
We do really appreciate every view, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Ah, my teeth are off.
Social media for them below.
Including Discord. Come on in, it's still very lonely.
It's very long on all social medias. And we'll see you next week with the episode.
My teeth are on fire.
Hello.
Try.